Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Lakshmi. This is a continuation video of my previous video. So you can refer my previous video. Today we are going to discuss about Django Evolution, installation steps, mapping URLs to views. Again, it's an important question for the exam. You may get the installation steps. So coming for Django Evolution, it was introduced in the year 2003 when the web programmers at the Lawrence Journal World newspaper Adrian Holovatti and Simon Millicent began using Python to build applications. In July 2005, it was released as an open source software, and September 2008 version 1.0 was released. Okay, so then later we can see different versions here in 2009, 10, 11, 1.1, 2, 3, 1.4, like this. Different versions has been released. Just you have to memorize this. So December 2019 version 3.0 was released. So just you have to go through this one because nothing here to explain. And here important is the installation steps in this particular video. So coming for installation steps, first we have to install Python, Visual Studio Code. Then second step is we have to set up virtual environment, that is virtual environment setup on Windows. So at the command prompt, you have to type these three commands, that is py, that is Python -3 -m and name of the virtual environment. For example, here in the command prompt, we have given the name of the virtual environment Viren v1. Okay, so once you are creating your virtual environment here, whatever name you want, you can give here. Second command, what you have to type there is cd, change directory to name of the virtual environment / scripts. So here you can see at the command prompt we have typed cd viren v1 / scripts. So you will get the at the command prompt like this. Okay, so lastly you have to type activate. So once you type activate at the command prompt, you will get the message like this, d : viren v1 scripts. Okay, so this is the second step. Third step is update pip in the virtual environment by running the following command prompt, that is Python -m pip install -- upgrade pip. If you type like this, you will get the message like this, successfully installed pip. This message will be displayed. Okay guys. Fourth step is install Django in the virtual environment by running the following command in the VS Code terminal. So now you have to go to the VS Code terminal and then you have to type this command, Python -m pip install Django. So see here, we have typed here. So once you type this at this command prompt, you will get the message successfully installed as GIRF -3.8.1 Django 5.0.4 SQL parse 0.5.0 TZ data 2024.1. Okay, you'll get the message like this. Fifth step is, so here steps 2 to 4 is used to create virtual environment and install Django in the virtual environment. Once virtual environment is created, we can use the same environment to create and execute many web applications using Django. So first is we have to create the Django project. To create that, what we should do, create a folder called Django projects, open Visual Studio, open the folder Django projects, check file, preferences, extensions, or press Ctrl+Shift+X. Then type Python in search extension box. If Python language support is not installed, then click on install button. So these things you're going to do here guys. So once it is done, the seventh step is click the view terminal. By default, PowerShell will be displayed. Change it to the command prompt. So these are the steps we have to follow. So you'll get like this. By default, the PowerShell, you have to select the command prompt and change it to the command prompt. Next, ninth step is enable the virtual environment created by changing the directory to scripts directory of virtual environment and execute activate command. So you're changing the directory, change directory we have given viren v1 scripts. So then type activate. So in the virtual environment, this will be created. Now change directory to Django projects. Okay. So here, once you give this command, change directory to Django projects, you will get this prompt like this. Then create Django project using the following command, Django-admin start project web project 1. Okay, so once that command is given, you will get a page like this. Okay, so you have created web project 1. So that's what we have given, start project web project 1. So whatever the name you give, it will be displayed here. Okay, next, observe the Explorer in VS Code. We can see in VS Code web project 1 and its supporting library files. Now Django creates the directory structure. It creates a directory structure as shown in figure. Observe the files and the folders what has been created here. Next, 12th is change directory to web project 1 and create Django app using the following command. So a project can have many apps. So Python, type the command as python manage.py start app1. Okay guys. So now you type that command here at the command prompt. Web project 1 already it is there. Next we are giving this command. So you will be in the web project 1. Your project has been created here. You can see at this framework. Next, observe the Explorer in VS Code. You can see this. Now first, view dynamic content. Under application/views.py, type the following command. So here applications.py, views.py, here in this folder views.py, you have to type this command. From django.http import http response, you're writing a function define hello request, and what response it has to return http response hello world, welcome to full stack development. So this is the what we are going to type in the view in the views.py folder. Now mapping URLs to views in web project 1 /urls.py, update the following content. Okay, in urls.py, here inside this folder in the web project, under this folder urls.py, under this in this web project folder, you are creating one more .py file. So in that, type this commands. From django.contrib import admin, from django.urls import path.include. Okay guys, so these two commands, 2 lines of code, followed by this code we are going to type. So URLs pattern you're going to write here, the path, and create urls.py file in application folder and create and include the following content. So you have to type this content inside this urls.py file. So once this content is ready, here we have given in path we want to print it views.hello.name equal to hello, views.hello name is equal to hello. From it is importing from views. Okay. Now start the server by using the following command, that is python manage.py run server, and open the browser with the following URL, and you'll get the output like this: hello world, welcome to full stack development. Once we type this URL in the browser, you can see the output like this. So these are the steps we have to follow to install the Django and how to run the project in a Django. This you may get for 8 to 10 marks question. Just you have to remember the steps and you have to write. So in my next coming video, I'm going to discuss how Django processes a request. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you all.